Please stay tuned after the Raspberry review for a Todd Robert Anderson influencer 4 days late. Raspberry review. And now, Todd Robert Anderson, influencer. I'm influencing 4 days late. I'm influencing 4 days late. Influence, 4 days late, 4 days late. Influence, 4 days late. Hi, I'm Todd Robert Anderson, influencer. You should turn in everything that is due 4 days late. Thank you. You have been influenced. And that's it. A double feature. A crossover episode, the likes of which you haven't seen since Magnum and Simon came together. Woo-wee! And it's a oneer. A double feature that's also a oneer. God, you're lucky. This has been a Blursh production. Blursh.